As standard equipment for the new 1401 range, Linde has selected the most advanced heavy truck monitoring and electronic operator display system available. The ISO-approved Parker-Hannifin ICANN MDL2 cab-mounted operator truck status display module with CAN bus interface, also fitted in all Linde container handlers, incorporates the following key functions. 1. Secure machine access. 2. 100% real-time complete truck systems monitoring for the operator. 3. Central truck diagnostics function with an optional remote capability. And 4. Truck-specific performance tuning, again with an optional remote capability. The use of this system requires no additional truck diagnostics or tuning hardware, and no programming skills are necessary. The entire system is self-contained and easily accessible in the operator cab. The ICANN MDL2 module replaces all mechanical dial-type instruments. A built-in warning system alerts the operator in plain text on the status display if any truck values start to digress from normal range. In this fashion, potential problems can be quickly identified and addressed. This applies to all truck operating as well as safety systems. Service personnel can quickly collect all individual machine information, transfer this to their laptop if desired, and then distribute the data via the web in a matter of minutes. Specific status display screens encompass the following information, with some items optional. The main menu includes time, load status indicator, weight of load on forks, truck service hours, truck speed, engine RPM, average fuel consumption, fuel level, fuel trip counter, and parking brake status. The engine menu includes total fuel used, trip fuel used, engine oil temperature, engine oil pressure, engine turbocharger boost pressure, manifold intake temperature, and engine torque. The transmission menu includes trip distance, total distance traveled, idle time, forward travel time, and reverse travel time. The working hydraulic system menu includes hydraulic system status, cooling system status, lift time, lower time, idle time, and fork movement details. The main menu also features truck condition and malfunction displays, such as low fuel level, water and fuel, low battery charge, low coolant level, high engine coolant temperature, high oil temperature, abnormal engine oil pressure, abnormal engine oil level, hydraulic filter blocked, and air filter blocked. The ICANN MDL2 truck status display facilitates a common sense interface for critical personnel and equipment. Especially trucks of this size represent a tremendous financial investment for their owners. It follows that this investment in high-tech machinery, as well as the safety of all who come in contact with it on a daily basis, should be guaranteed by the most advanced monitoring technology available in the marketplace.